Welcome sa gitna ng kalsada. I'm walking at the center of the road. Yeah, I cut myself. I cut it myself. And I dye it myself. Look at those heads. Nagkarbot si Pau Pau. Nagkarbot siya. Anong mga pinamili mo? What's that? What's inside? Is it? Oh my days! Oh no! Oh yeah! In there! Hi!
Licenses.
Train, train, train!
Go away.
Choo! Choo! Ah! The car! Ah! Ah! Pug, pug, pug.
Ah! The car! The car! Ah! The rubbish! The rubbish!
Might take a bit of time.
Ano nakalabas ng natin namin sa cage?
Kala ko ba bibili tayo? What time is it na ba?
Oo nga, pagkatapos di pa lang. Ito naman.
Eh,
5, ano may 6 lang?
can we go Primark? English?
Alis na anak ko, alis ka.
Rewind, rewind. Can we go Primark? Harold. Wala, Harold. Ah! Thanks. I can't afford Harrods. That's why. Just Primark. Ice cream. Oh my God! Can you? Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind?
What?
What? Do you mind? Do you mind? Oh gosh. Do you mind? 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 Piece of mine. Piece of mine. Can you stop? Did you pick my ice cream? Do you mind? Do you mind?
Excuse me, do you mind? Do you mind?
barbecue ano dyan, oh. Mga Pilipino.
Ubus na.
Pinoy ako! Pinoy tayo!
Shut up.
Tangik dyan, oh.
Wow, inuman.
Wow, inuman! Ang baho!
Wow,
Ang baho! Hey, do you want it? Do you want it? Look it. Ah! 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 Bye-bye! Wala.
Bye-bye.
Oh, man.
Come on.
Hurry up. No.
I'm tired.
What happened?
Wake up.
Sira yata eh.
Oh.
Ma, did you broke it? Sira. Wala pa. Ayaw, ang tagal. Ayun! Hey! Yo, yo, yo! Yeah, yo! Pinoy ko! Yeah! Woo! Overweight na, oh! 8 person. How many persons are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
8 person. Oh no!
Ah, you're fine now, fine now. Utot pa yan. Utot pa yan. Dali ito.